Welcome to Custom Exceptions. Create precise error handling. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using generic exceptions like runtime exception gives vague error messages that don't explain what went wrong. How do we make errors more meaningful? Generic errors lack context. Hard to debug specific failures. Cannot enforce custom error handling. Custom exceptions provide clear, specific error messages and enable targeted error handling. How is custom exceptions used in the real world? Banking applications handle insufficient funds errors, user authentication. Manage invalid login attempts, e-commerce systems. Process invalid payment methods. Custom exceptions powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without custom exceptions? Using generic exceptions with unclear error messages, look at how messy the code gets. Generic error messages, hard to debug. No specific handling, there has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, custom exceptions. Look how clean the code is now. Clear error messages. Specific error types. Better debugging, compare the difference. And that is why we use custom exceptions. Let's see how to implement custom exceptions in code. Here is the implementation. Extend exception. Create custom exception class. Constructor. Pass message to parent. Declare exception. Method can throw custom exception. Check condition. Validate age requirement. Throw exception. Create and throw custom error. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What must a custom exception class extend? Which one is correct? The correct answer is custom exceptions must extend exception or runtime exception. What's wrong with this custom exception? Which one is correct? The correct answer is custom exception must extend exception or runtime exception. Which constructor is commonly added to custom exceptions? Which one is correct? The correct answer is string constructor allows passing error messages. What does this code do? Which one is correct? The correct answer is extends exception equals checked exception needs throws. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.